The table shows information about some CDs. So we've got the type of CD, so rock, pop, and jazz, and then the number of CDs. So there were 2 rock CDs, there were X pop CDs, so we don't know the amount there, and there were 2X add 5 jazz CDs. A CD is chosen at random. The probability that it is rock is 1 out of 20. Work out the probability that the CD is jazz. So the first thing you'll recognise here is, to start off with, we have some missing values, we have some unknown variables, okay? But they've given us some information about the number of CDs that are rock and its probability. So there are 2 rock CDs, so there's 2 out of the total number of CDs, we don't know what that is yet, is equal to 1 over 20 as a probability, okay? So you can look at this and compare these 2 fractions and try and figure out what's happened, okay? Thinking in terms of equivalent fractions. So to get from 2 to 1, we've divided by 2. So to go in this direction, we would do the opposite and multiply by 2. So this should tell us that 2 out of 40 CDs are rock, okay? So that means we have a total of 40 CDs, which is going to help us, okay? Now that we know there's a total of 40 CDs, we're going to form an expression for the total number of CDs using the probabilities given in this table. So 2x and 2x plus 5. So 2 plus x plus 2x plus 5 is equal to those 40 CDs in total. So let's simplify this a little bit. We can collect like terms. So x plus 2x is 3x. And then we can work with 2 plus 5, which is 7. So 3x plus 7 is equal to 40. We're now going to solve for x. So we're going to subtract 7 from both sides. So 3x equals 33. Then let's divide by 3. So x equals 11. All right. So if x equals 11, there are 11 pop CDs. And there are 2 times 11 plus 5 jazz CDs, which is 22, 27. Okay, next, final part of this question. Work out the probability that it's a jazz CD when a CD is chosen at random. So we have worked out there are 27 jazz CDs out of 40 CDs in total. That's our probability of jazz. I've written it there rather than the answer line, just in case I feel like I want to simplify. I can't simplify that one anyway. You don't really have to with probability, but I just wanted to make sure I was correct before I wrote it on my answer line.